Welcome. I am Laura Barker, an 8th grade algebra teacher at Carlton Hills. This year, your son or daughter will be in my flipped algebra class. This video will show you what to expect from the class, your student, as well as myself. Let's start with a quick understanding of a flipped classroom. In a traditional classroom, the teacher does the lesson in front of the class and the students take notes. Then there is maybe 5 to 10 minutes of class time to ask for help. What is different about a flipped classroom is that students watch the lesson videos at home and take notes for homework, which frees up the classroom time to do the assignment with the help of the teacher and other students. The main idea is that a student can take notes on his or her own, but the actual practice work is what students need help with. What to expect of the flipped algebra class. Students will be given a pacing guide that maps out the year. It is also online. If you would like your child to complete the entire course, he or she will need to stay on the pace you see in the guide. If your student gets behind, he or she can catch up, but we don't want him or her to get too far behind. Grading. Students will get a contract that shows what is expected of them from the current chapter. It shows the assignments, videos, and tests that they are expected to do for that chapter. They can turn in work daily or at the end of the chapter. I grade the assignments the day they are turned in and return them the next day. For the flipped classroom to work at its best, students need immediate feedback. Tests are given once the student has proven he or she has mastered the concept. If the student received a passing score on the assignments, he or she gets the green light to take the test. I run the class as a mastery learning classroom. What that means is that the student must understand the concept before moving on to the next concept. If the student passes the test, he or she moves on. If the student doesn't pass the test, I meet with him or her and we work up a plan to help the student get the concept. Once ready, the student retakes the test. Your child will need to set up an account on Khan Academy so that he or she can use the practice part. Some assignments can be replaced by Khan, and we also use it for practice of concepts. The website also has some great videos on any topic you can imagine. My website has lots of resources. You will find the pacing guide, chapter contracts, con skills listed by lesson, as well as other resources when you click on the algebra link. There are also several resources to learn more about the flipped classroom. Please let me know if you have any other questions or concerns.